Welcome to HyBiz News. My name is Suresh Kochar. Some more aviation news. Boeing is lowering its expectations around demand for new planes over the next decade as the coronavirus pandemic continues to undercut air travel. The company on Tuesday predicted that the world will need 18,350 new commercial airplanes in the next decade, a drop of 11% from the 2019 forecast. The value of that market will slide to about $200 billion from last year's forecast to $2.9 trillion. Boeing company largely stuck to its rosy forecast for the long-term demand, predicting that increasing air travel in Asia will help create a market of more than 43,000 planes in the next 20 years, down about 1,000 from its 2019 outlook. The long-term optimization is based on history, including aviation's eventual recovery after the September 11, 2001 terror attacks and other crises, the company's Vice President of Commercial Marketing, Darren Hulst, said. The Chicago-based Boeing, which along with Europe's Airbus dominates the aircraft building industry, has seen orders and deliveries of new planes crumble this year. Boeing was already under pressure from the grounding of last year's best-selling plane 737 MAX after 2 deadly crashes. The company has been squeezed even more during the pandemic as airlines find themselves with more planes than they need. Boeing has cut thousands of jobs this year. The company's outlook assumes that it will take 3 years for air travel to return to its pre-pandemic levels. The company is counting on its defense and space businesses now, more than half of Boeing's revenue, to maintain some measure of stability. The company predicted the worldwide demand for military planes, drones, satellites, and other products will be $2.6 trillion over the next decade, nearly matching the airliner market. Boeing expects near-term demand to be especially weak for the so-called wide-body airliners that are used mostly on international routes. The international travel has dropped much more sharply than domestic flying during the pandemic, as the US and other countries have restricted international travelers to limit the spread of virus.